Bond shipment. It took the jury in the terror threat trial of a former Utica College student, Fahrudin Omerovic, about an hour and a half to reach a verdict today.
Jurors got the case about 2 o'clock, and by 3:30, they'd reached a verdict. News Channel 2's Jolene Ferris live here in the studio to tell us how this all went down. It is your top story.
The judge came out and said, "We have a verdict," then warned everyone in the courtroom that if they reacted in any way, they'd be removed by police.
As to the first count, making a terrorist threat, how do you find the defendant, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
As to the second count, making a terrorist threat, how do you find the defendant, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
After a week of listening to terrified Utica College students say they thought they would die and never see their families again, and watching the defendant's distraught, tearful mother talk about her son, jurors found her son, the man who admitted making the calls that terrorized the UC campus, guilty of both counts. The prosecution said threats like the ones made in this case put everyone in danger.
Police officers racing to the scene could have been involved in accidents. During the testimony from Director Sullivan, he had said that he was concerned that diabetics wouldn't be able to get their medication because of the lockdown.
The defense attorney said he knew he was up against it from the start and braced his client and his family.
There were really no surprises to me in this case. I knew what the people were going to present by way of evidence. I knew what our defenses were. I knew what the issues and shortcomings were. And I braced Fahrudin and his family for this possibility right from the beginning.
Fahrudin Omerovic will be sentenced January 29th. Now, there's some leeway here. The judge can sentence him to a determinate or set sentence of anywhere between 2 and 7 years in state prison on each count. He can make them run consecutively, which would mean 2 separate sentences or prison terms, or concurrent, which would basically mean 1 sentence. Back to you.
Jolene Ferris live.